So what was your final answer of the question which we have given it to you? I think this question has been given to you all. This one, no? Mrs. X Limited, 18,000, 18 lakh, 13 lakhs likewise. So what was the final answer what you got? I mean, if it is payable tax, what was the balance of your cash ledger? Yes, please verify. These are your answers. Yes, very correct. Okay. Uh, Now, let me take another question which will make your fundamental more clear. Like Mr. A has output tax liability. Do this question and there is an answer also. So it will make all your funda clear. And then we will be doing the question based which is there with me on Excel sheet. Okay. Mr. A has output tax liability as 1 lakh towards the CGST and SGST, UTGST, 20,000 towards IGST, and also interest payable as 1,800. So these are the liability. Explain the manner of discharge of these liability of Mr. A in following two independent cases. First, if there is a ITC available, if there is ITC available of CGST, SGST 25,000 and IGST 25,000, what will be your answer? And if ITC is not available. So it's very simple, my dear student. What we did, whatever the liability we had, it was given here. Okay, we had 1 lakh ka liability towards CGST and SGST, so 50,000 CGST, 50,000 SGST, IGST has been given 20,000, and 1,800 was interest. Okay, 1,800 was interest payable. So I have written all this as my liability ledger. Am I right? I'm just explaining, then you write, then you copy down. Please, first listen, understand. So here what I have written here, these all liability, they have not computed as we computed in the previous question. It is given over here. Or other way, they will give you the supply, charge the tax rate, you will get the output tax liability. Am I right? Understood? So this is my CGST ka liability, SGST ka liability, IGST ka liability, and this is my interest ka liability. So this all will come under liability ledger. So total liability is this much. Now ITC is given. First, let us take, this is the answer of case 1, and this table is answer for case 2. Two different independent cases. When ITC is available, and second, when ITC is not available. In spite of ITC, many a times, like what we have seen in the previous question, they have not given ITC. In spite of ITC, they have given purchases. Okay. So if there are purchases, what will happen? We'll apply the again tax rate, and whatever the amount we will get, that will be amount of ITC. Agreed or not? So other way around. So that is my ITC. ITC is given. How much? CGST, SGST, it is 25,000. and IGST also 25,000. So I have taken 25, 25, 25. So what will happen in IGST, the liability was 20,000 and ITC we got 25,000. So 5,000 is excess. Yes or no? And this 5,000 can be utilized anywhere. IGST है ना बेचारा. We have seen last year का example. IGST is son, this mother, and this is wife. They will not share, but this guy has possibilities to adjust their liability to anyone. So what will happen? 50 was the liability payable. 25 we have adjusted with ITC. 5 excess what ITC we had in IGST, I have adjusted in CGST. Alternatively, you can adjust equally also as per the new norm. Okay. So the balance 50 minus 25 minus 5. What is left out? 20,000 is the taxable payment of CGST to be paid through cash ledger. To be paid through cash ledger. How we can get the amount in cash ledger? Either NEFT or ITGS. Cash is impossible because the amount is 20,000, whereas cash limit is only 10,000. So either debit card, credit card, through those ways and means you can put the payment amount in cash ledger and subsequently you can make the payment. But in SGST what we found, ITC was only 25. So remaining 25 to be paid. IGST need not be paid because we had excess amount of ITC. Okay. Liability was 20. ITC was 25. So nothing is payable. So nothing will come in cash ledger. And interest cannot be adjusted over here. Will always be paid through cash ledger only. I hope things are very clear to you all. Till this part you were solving till semester 5. This is only the new column to be added in your answer. And in second case, if there is no ITC, entire amount, what is the output liability to be paid in terms of cash? Yes or no? So then this column will not be there. Credit ledger column will not be there. This is your output liability and same amount you have to pay through cash ledger. So liability ledger equivalent to cash ledger. I hope things are clear for both the cases. Now you can copy the answer, no problem. And kindly apply same logic for all the questions which will be dealing in subsequent sessions. Also update me through chat box once this answer is over. even semester 5 questions also, whereby you had ITC adjustment without or with, where there was the tax liability payable. You can practice like this. If ITC will be there, then we will follow this format. Liability ledger, credit ledger, and cash ledger. If ITC is not there, then liability ledger and cash ledger. That is why I have shown you liability is equivalent to cash. Okay. In our PPT earlier we have seen, and there that time I have shown you in debit and credit way of ledger showing. Yeah, only two students has written me that they have completed. Let others also to finish. Rushik and Sunita. Others to be complete करने दो. Meghna has joined. Okay. Rostin, see, cash ledger amount 10,000, not 1,000, to be paid in terms of cash. So, if at all, that is why I have very clearly stated, don't keep this doubt. There are all ways and means through which you can make the electronic payment transfer into cash ledger. Okay, you can pay through your credit card, you can pay through your ATM card, you can pay through your debit card or other banking modes, either in NEFT or RTGS, because every these transaction will give you, again I will go for rule 88, यूनिक आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर. याद है आप लोगों ने बताया था 85, 86, 87 and I have purposely written one more rule 88. So for all these, if the liability is generated, again there will be identification number. If liability is adjusted with ITC through credit ledger, then also there will be identification number. Till then, nobody can avail the benefit. So there are other ways and means. You are absolutely right, sir. The payment of cash should be limited to 10,000. But yes, the remaining amount to be paid in other mode and means. That is why even in answer what I have written, the banking mode. NEFT I have given chance. RTGS I have given chance. Even debit card, credit card, all will come. Okay? Yeah, thank you. And same thing has been explained. Yes, now almost 10 students have written that they have completed. Sakshi, Anjali, Vidisha. Yash, Jayesh. I hope, Rostin, your doubt is clear. Okay, beta. Can we have this question? So this dealer is dealing in two different states. Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Here also again output tax liability is calculated. If it is not calculated, then you have to apply the rate and calculate it. Nothing very big rocket science. Very simple one. And then we have input tax credit, and finally whatever is left to be paid through electronic cash ledger. So again you can solve this question. I hope you can do it with your own. Do it fast. You have only 3 minutes. At least you write the question. At least you write the question. First you write the question. 3 minutes is enough for you to write the question. And then we will see the solution part once we will get the solution next week. And we will match.